Hey everybody, so I thought there might be some interest in seeing yet another rotary table conversion to fourth axis. This is a Vertex HV-1T, HV-110. It's 110 millimeter, just over 4 inches diameter on the table there. I'm using a NEMA 23 servo stepper with the encoder feedback. It's a 60-tooth HTD pulley on driving, a 48-tooth pulley on the worm side, because I needed a little bit of extra speed, and the controls that I'm using from worldofword.com cannot handle. It's too many steps for it to handle, so that's why I stepped it up a little bit. Anyway, this is just to share what you might be able to expect from one of these tables, assuming the quality hasn't dropped in the meantime since I bought this. I have done here the first thing I've done is I've removed the feature where you can disengage the worm by unscrewing this thing and then swinging it in and out. It's been disabled. Basically, what I've taken out the adjustment from this collar. It's just screwed up tight into the inner housing that holds the worm. So that takes up a little bit of slop from the system. And then I've got a couple of washers, one here and one inside, that together I surface ground them so that the axial free play is about a little bit less than 1 thou, probably closer to half a thou, or about 0.01 or 0.02 millimeters axial play on the worm. And then I just adjusted the engagement of the worm as close as I could have gotten it before locking it down. So this is the controller. I've got no affiliation with them, just happens to be a really nice bit of kit. It comes as a kit, just the electronics, and then you have to build everything else. As you see, I've made mine out of wood. So let's see, I've set this to the position it's on right now is 351 degrees. I've zeroed the dials, and I'm going to advance it a little bit one way, and then we'll come back the other way and see what happens. So let's go 350.975. This is 1 step, 2 steps. That's back to 351. Let's zero that. And let's go further up on. Let's go this way, and now we're a little bit just over 351. Let's go back to 351 and see what it says. It's just under 10 microns, so let's call it about 5 microns. Which is about 1/4 of a thou. That's out at 2 inches away from the axis of rotation, which is, I would say, pretty decent, pretty respectable. In the settings here, the backlash that I have set is 3 steps. Now, the way this is geared with the micro stepping settings and everything else in there, I've got 57,600 steps of the motor for a full rotation of the table. So the total backlash is about 3 steps out of 57,600, which is pretty decent. I haven't made any chips with it. I don't know how it conforms to real life, but everything inside is surface ground to be fairly tight. So it's not a stock, that's not a completely stock rotary table, but with a little bit of work, I'd say it's pretty good. And just to show a little bit, let's go back into division mode. Let's do 4 divisions. This is on maximum speed, and let's see what it does. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So not bad. This is speed 1, more sedate. going to take a while to get there, but so I'm going to speed it back up a little bit. Yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching.